Good morning guys, in front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and let me show you how to clear cache and speed up your device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select apps, and here go to app management. And now if you wish to speed up your device fully, just go app by app, and basically what you need to do with each app is to open it, then find and click on storage usage, and here click on clear cache, and do it with each app to okay, so here you've got none, to speed up it fully. Let me show one few more. And then once done, you can reset your device. To do it, just tap on power button along with volume up button, tap and hold. Once you feel a smooth vibration, remove fingers from both buttons and wait till your phone is rebooted, and then it should work way faster and you will be able to do it smoothly. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.